Hi and welcome. In this video we're going to look at how to add SplitTestMonkey A/B split testing snippets into blog posts and pages. For this example I'm simply going to test out a couple of different headlines on this free report page on my WordPress blog. So I've already gone across to SplitTestMonkey and set up my new A/B split test for headline 1, and then I've grabbed the code for both the snippet itself and the conversion tag as well. You can see the conversion tag has a C rather than an E, which is always the test snippet. So having set up my test with my two different headline variations and grabbing my conversion code and my snippet code, what I'm then going to do is head across to my blog, and instead of inserting the conversion code directly to the page or post, I'm actually going to use a header footer code manager plugin. This one is called Header Footer Code Manager. There are others available. This is the one that I like to use because it allows me to target a specific page or post within WordPress. You can read more about this particular plugin on the WordPress directory here on the Header Footer Code Manager page, and once you've installed and activated the plugin, it will appear on your admin menu on the left. So look for HFCM, click on that, and then choose the Add New option here, or from the main page click on Add New Snippet here. So I'm going to click on this button and bring up the Add New Snippet option, and I'm going to give the new snippet the same name as I've got in SplitTestMonkey so that I know which split test it is. I'm then going to choose the snippet type as JavaScript because it is a JavaScript. I'm then going to choose the option for site display on a specific page. It could equally be a specific post or site-wide, but I'm going to go with a specific page because I know which conversion page I'm using for this particular test. If we now click on page list and scroll down, the page that is my conversion page on this list is AMCC, so I'll choose that. You can add extra pages at the same time, but I'm just going to choose the one particular page. Then you choose the location from the drop down list. I'm going to go with after content. You also have the option to decide whether it appears on all devices, desktop only or mobile only. I'm going to click on show all devices, leaving it as the default. Let's scroll on down, we'll leave it as active. I'm simply going to paste my snippet of code, the conversion code from SplitTestMonkey, into this field, scroll down to the bottom and click on save. And that has now added a new conversion snippet to our conversion page. So next I need to put the test snippet onto the landing page itself. So I'm going to grab the test snippet here, click on copy, then I'm going to go to my pages and locate the page that I need to edit. This was the conversion page. This is the actual front page or the landing page. So I'll click on edit and that will bring it up in a new edit window for us to edit. So once I'm on the page to edit, I can find the element that I'm going to replace with the snippet, which is the headline here. And instead of using the visual editor, what I need to do is go to the code editor and find the same element. If we scroll down a little bit, we'll find the bit where it says free report, the affiliate marketing crash course. And that there is the code that I put into the A/B split testing. So it's that particular piece of code that I need to replace with the snippet. So if I paste my snippet in there, replacing it, you can see that that has now replaced the original H1 headline code with our test snippet from SplitTestMonkey. Once I'm happy that that's okay and is correct, all I then need to do is click on update to update my page on my WordPress blog. As soon as that page or post has updated, our split test is now live and running, so we can go back across to our blog in a different browser, and let's actually go to the particular page, which was the affiliate marketing crash course, and let's hit refresh to see if we can now get different alternative headline. There we go, instant download affiliate marketing crash course. So that is split testing it because I'm running on a different browser and I've got this set up for a different IP, and that shows that our split test is live and running. Okay, that's how easy it is to set up A/B split testing snippets in WordPress. And obviously if you want to run split test URLs in WordPress, it's exactly the same as normal. Just create the different pages or posts that you want to split test. Hope you found this useful. Please feel free to let us know if you have any questions.